Hello everyone, welcome today on Friday the 22nd, April the 22nd, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and the heavy Sudoku, and there is also an additional with extra puzzles. First one, letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, the binary and the tectonic. Those puzzles I'm not interested. So a total of 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first we will solve these two babies. This will be number 4. Let me see, 4. What's the newspaper? 4 4 4 5. Yeah, 4 3 4s and 1 5. 4 4 4 5. Yeah, correct. 4 4 4 5. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 9 big squares with 4 printed digits inside. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 1 star, but the 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one 36, so it must be easier and faster than, for 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Well, I think this one maybe in 12 minutes, 30 minutes. So let's get started. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Alright. The 8th in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Then, yeah. Okay. Then. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 6 in a column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be here. And now, cannot continue with the 6, but I need to start with the 1 first. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I can continue with the 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Oh, wait. Okay. One in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in this box. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in that box. So the 1, it could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. Let me see. Cannot continue with the 1. Alright. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 1 in the last row, a 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number so 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number so 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, a 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, a 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers are 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes for a 1 star. Well, this one has 36 printed digits, so should be 12 minutes or faster. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. And after 10 weeks, I will stop and will share those data with you. We have here the 524, 524, the 917, the 917, and the 693, 693. Here we have one pair, the 9. All right, great Sudoku Light. Yes. Thank you again, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku Heavy it will be. Until then, bye-bye for now.